Do you want your old looking fireplace to look new, but on a budget? Well, this is the video for you. We started off with a big old crack at the bottom, and we gave it a little platform, and then we put some filler in there, and that really did grab right on to those screws. And then we ended up just hitting it with the brush just to give it more of that natural look so you can't tell that it was repaired. And we also stuck the board in the front so nothing would come out. This really was a great process. Now, we did start off by painting it. However, we started using a lot of paint, so we ended up going with spraying it, which it came out wonderfully. Now, here's the final product, and you can't even tell that there was a big old crack at the bottom. It came out so wonderful. The best part is it cost less than $100.